What's good, what is good, my sizers? We are back again with another video, and today we're at the Waldorf Astoria. Now, to get here from the crystal shops, you're going to want to use the entrance that has the Barbie Expo exhibit, and you're going to walk across this boardwalk, and then you're going to go down some stairs, but don't worry, there's also an escalator available. And then you can walk either to this entryway that has an elevator and take that to the first floor, and you'll be at the doors of the Waldorf. Or you can walk around the corner, which that right there by my finger is a Starbucks. Turn the corner, take a right, and then you're at the Waldorf Astoria. Now, once you walk in, this is the lobby lounge area. There is one desk for general questions, and there are 3 different elevators. This is what the front desk consists of. There were 3 options on the elevator, and this is what each floor has to offer. Now, the Waldorf is strictly just a hotel. It does not have any gambling, but if you are looking for somewhere nice to take pictures, I definitely suggest this because they had nice decorations up everywhere. This was on the 3rd floor, like as soon as you leave the elevators. It's right there. It's a nice little throne you could sit on with the kids and take a picture with presents and Santa hats and the Nutcracker. And then once you take a left at the elevator, still on the 3rd floor, you're greeted by the registration next to like the hotel rooms. And then this is a tea lounge. And while I was filming, I ran into some ladies who had just gone there and they said it was exquisite. So I definitely suggest that. And then they also had some nice decorations down that hallway. Still on the 3rd floor, if you are wondering what their view looks like, you can see out their window behind the registration desk is the Planet Hollywood, and you can also watch the strip while you're at the tea lounge. This is a little cafe that was found on the 23rd floor, which is one of the 3 buttons available on the elevator, and the rest of the 23rd floor is strictly conference rooms. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!